Now let's see the third type of medical waste. It's solvent waste. Now, the majority of medicines and drugs are produced by chemical synthesis. The production of these medicines require multiple steps. So just like when you're doing your IA, you're using solvents, you're using chemicals. So similarly, when we make medicines, there's many steps. There's reactions, there's separation, and there's purification to give the pure medicine. And purification usually involves the use of solvents. Many of these solvents are toxic and need to be recycled or disposed after use. Now, let's see issues associated to these organic solvents. Some of them are toxic to living organisms. They affect the nervous system, respiratory system, internal organs, and reproductive organs. Some of them increase risk of cancer, for example, benzene and chloroform. Right? Chloroform is an organic solvent. And they are highly flammable. They produce vapors that contribute to the greenhouse effect. This is specifically for chlorofluorocarbons. And these solvents need to be disposed carefully so that they do not harm the environment. So let's see a few examples of undesirable solvent. So dichloromethane, dichloroethane, trichloromethane, carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. And instead of using these solvents, these are the preferred alternatives that will give the same effect but are not going to be as toxic. Right? Now, chlorinated solvents, as given here, so these are chlorinated solvents. So if you look at these solvents, so this is CH2Cl2, this is C2H4Cl2, trichloromethane, so there's 3 chlorine, and this one is 4 chlorine. So these are chlorinated solvents, and these cause environmental damages. They have weak CCl bonds that can lead to the formation of chlorine radical. Remember, in the stratosphere, these bonds can be broken down to release the radicals and can lead to the depletion of the ozone layer. These chlorinated solvents can also accumulate in groundwater and can cause long-term damage to the ecosystem. They cannot be burned as the incomplete combustion produces toxic gases. Therefore, chlorinated solvent must be oxidized at high temperatures or recycled by distillation. Hence, it's better that we avoid the use of these solvents. Therefore, we use these preferred solvents that do not have chlorine in them.